Pano ndi panyasa voice box pamene timakhandi a Malawi osiyanasiyana amafunika maganizo awo pa nkhani zosiyanasiyana makamaka zokhudza ndale kuyendetsa bwino kwa dziko komanso kutsatira bwino kwa malamulo kuno kwathu ku Malawi. Lero tabweranso ndi bambo Samuel Lwara, iwo ndithu akuyika maganizo awo pamene zimene ananena olemekezeka nduna yathu yona zofalitsa nkhani a Moses Kukuyu amene amati ndithu akufuna kumanga amene amapanga run channel chachibwa chakuti Bakili Muluzi TV. Nde tikhale limodzi kuti timve kuti a Samuel Lwara maganizo awo ndotani pa nkhani imeneyi pa zimene ndithu ananena olemekezeka nduna yathu yofalitsa nkhani a Moses Kukuyu.
Once again, my comrades, good evening. Sorry, when I was trying to record, my granddaughter and Abuela kukanda tinayeso kuyanka hapo zake. Comrades, let me be honest with you about this issue of Tumza Masai Dukes Africa. Ndaifufu zansu kuiona what is happening. And I managed to talk to the rightful people omwe sanafuna kuzichula. Kodi nzona mara ya Tumasai D kukamfuna kukamanga muntu wa TV wa Bakili Muluzi TV. And this guy anayamba ndi kuseka waseka kwambiri kuti atume muntu kamugwira muntu woti akuyankhula pa social media mukamfuna ku South Africa so ngati South Africa kulibe mukampeza kuti muntu amene and amene munapita ku South Africa. South Africa is the biggest country kuti ukampeze muntu ku South Africa kuti uyuyu sizimakhala zophweka ya. This investigation can take 10 years kapena 2 years achakwera atachoka kale bomu akazamugwira muntu amene zakhala bwanji. And two, let's look at the substance or my allegations omwe afuna amangirepo muntu amenewo asokoneza chani ku Malawi, because sometimes to arrest somebody is easy when you are in power. You push people to arrest kamangana, just the same like what happened to the vice president. He got arrested or he was punished psychologically by alleging that he was meddling with the SATA in the award of some contracts to MDF. So, Chena Panga Papa Kunkuyu, I don't understand. It's just a justification of what sort of a man is Kunkuyu and what sort of government we have in Malawi. Wa Bakili Muluzi TV zimena manena, amanena zomwe akunena and ogwira ntchito kuboma. The people who are defending government are media. Like for example, Chawes Banda, example, this guy, George Kasakura. Ameyankhula in support of the president. But zinzomwe amala wakuona ngati siza chilungamo. This guy, wa Bakili Muluzi, is a very good presenter. To me, the best than those people are going BC. He's very good. Amanena chomwe tikumva champekesera, amachika poera. He goes with a story. And the style of journalism is very good in modern times. I'm afuna fast information. People nowadays don't want to waste time kumashika dig why that particular person did this, why a particular person did that. Timafuna straightforward message. It's just the same as I'm talking now. Ndikudaboti akunkuyu openly saying that Atumasa ID. So akuza which type of people have been told about this? Good Atumasa ID. I thought this was going to be an issue, an internal issue. A secret issue that a police wakanangu songa chisisi. Suppose this man is a mafia in South Africa. What TV, what Bakili Muluzi TV. The mafia. And he knows the and Masai Diagu Malawi kumaiko akunja sama so wati maziwa. Even Malawi munomo. We know some of these IDs mena maonekera, the way they work. Akuza kwa ombera antwaja before they come closer to him. What will this government say? Sometimes I don't understand Malawians. You cannot come open and go to South Africa. Everyone will be alert, even right away by airport. People look for that person. They can even go to immigration office. Do phone sagmene kuja. Kuno kwa Anthu police Malawi. Can you tell me I've got this money? As I do to South Africa. South Africa is the first country in terms of crime. And in South Africa, someone can die because of a 10 rand. And so zina za kunkuyu. That's why we say let's put the rightful people in government. Tentika ntachirunga mboma sanamizana na Malawi. The type of this sizinga take that generous while Bakili Muluzi TV afuna kamange chifukwa chani? What wrong has he done? Ngati amatchula anthu ena, anthu obwanji osamanga munthu ku court. So does it mean makoti atapeleka warrant of arrest? Kuja kodi aenda njira yanji amalawi akananena in detail what methodology imene yagwiritsidwa ntchito for these people kuti akapanga investigate munthu wa Baki TV, Baki News TV ku South Africa. Sepena paka Malawi ineyo it's so unfortunate that ku Malawi kuli anthu atulo timakhala ngati andale amafuna zipulise feyo, and it's unfortunate that anthu atulo kwambiri ndi amene timayika pa mipando without thinking deeper the way we think, some of us. It's not on for Kunkuyu. If you really this is Kunkuyu saying, we don't have the right Minister of Information. Tilibe Minister of Information Kumalawi. We don't have. Just like the party spokesperson for MCP. Alimba karata kuti akulesa nazo zimene zachita kumponera, and the same account amene anakhabidwa sanapita kapanga report police. But we saw the video. These people were talking from the police premises. Pama officer police. Bayuna mama yankula anthu amadanda. So anthu abwera apita pa yard ya police tikaona kuyankula. A police akuyenda pa office ya police. Auti anthu amene sanapanga report police. Kodi ndeuti pafupi pomwe panakhabidwa anthu is just very near from the police station. Kumene kuliba police kuti akanaifuza nkhani bwinobwino. And IMCP athamangira bwanji kulemba chikala zoti wosizi kwakhuza. I thought the investigations are still on. And anthu ena amene ife tinatumako mwa ife okhuzidwa ndi nkhani yokhapa na kumponera achita kuyankhula ndi munthu amene anthu amene amakhapa anthu ayankhula nawo samazoita kuyankhula ndi anthu obwera kuwafufuza. They've given us names of the people amene amatani amene the suspects taatchulanso taatumananso a minister Chimwendo Banda. So Malawians kuti tikamana maboza, whom are we trying to please? Because boza lilonse it affects our thinking. Mukamana maboza chimati wao kwambiri. So boma likumuna masomo anthu amboma kuna maboza. Why telling lies? Bali mkunena maboza. Zotu milacha tumzasadi akamange whom do you want to silence? Wabakiri muzu mena manena ineyo namsatira bwino. He's a very good journalist. Koma iwe ngati suna puze bwino journalism yako umaona zako uchita bwino ngati akulakuza because you don't have the guts about journalism. Just the same, mwina ena amadaba mafoni kaya kumakira the daba of phones. For what? Why are you dubbing the phones? When people are talking the truth. And you have to understand why we put people into power. It's not easy. We do vote. We think 100%, we use 100% of our thinking, tend to make a decision to vote for someone. And that's costly. So when you vote somebody, 100% giving that person hope that is going to change things in government, and later on he fails, it pains psychologically. It humiliates most of us. We get humiliated. So as I dear Peter Kumene South Africa, what are you going to say? And what type of skills do they have? Because when you look at crime rate in South Africa, even the classic, the class of crimes that are taking place in South Africa and in other countries is faster than us in Malawi. Muntu Pokama is a journalist. He knows, he understands people. Even the people's behavior, I'm sure understand a journalist. So I'm sorry that the minister, Kaizama Kanga, Kungo Hehemuka, in Shtumbo, Hehemuka, Kungo Nyamwida, because these guys, people trust him. Why can't government just make itself or do it in another alternative way? Trying to say the truth and do the right thing for the people who put it into, who put these people running our government into power. We enjoy that. And that's the social media. How many people are going to be arrested when they say the truth against the government? But there'll be a time whereby Malawians Zamanga Boma through a vote in 2025. The more these guys, Maka Zatu Ambari MCP, Amene Sogure, Washpan, Akundamene Kangatakusoguzatos Alliance. One day we arrest these people with a vote. Because these people, Akamanga Bakilmuzu TV, Akamanga, it's okay. Come if our arrest is just to remove MCP leadership from government or from TOS Alliance. But because this government is for TOS Alliance. And when Kuku is speaking, He should know that as a means of information, he's speaking for Toss Alliance Red administration. When all parties are involved, where these other parties consulted about this man, I don't know. But if this man only offended MCP as a party, let the party spokesperson or MCP akanangula nkhani. But as Kunku as a means of information, he's not supposed to disclose this to the nation. No. Because some other partners of Toss Alliance, they're in support of what Bakiri Muluzi TV is doing. And the name Bakiri Muluzi is the name of the former president. And the Muluzi family, Gadara lodge complaint. Why is this man using Bakiri Muluzi TV? These are things that the CID must understand. So I'm very sorry that Akunkuyu is openly saying that atuma CID. No. Tikamatuma anthu akamapita kunja sitimata CID ya. Timatima detectives. Because when they go there, they will detect the environment yomwe zikagwira ntchito. Ma CID amakhala kumalayo. Koma kuya timati ma detectives. They have to detect detect the environment whereby this man agwira nkhula mtundu wanje. How good are they at freedom of expression and dissemination of information? How fast is the technology in South Africa? South Africa can't even sing it. Because people are ever on social media. Timona South Africa, some other people dance almost half naked. Even Akuru. This other time, another MP, another from parliament. Maliseje nien, kone sakumene ena fetima chokera, kujikaya and hamoy. So when you send people, you speak like this, mena kabila kunkuyu. It's a sign of a failed minister. I mean, deny with information. He's not the rightful person to handle this position. Even the police sent there, Mwina ambakale manta. Kotemenda goneko, maybe they'll face problems. Gone chero. Because in South Africa, when you talk of illegal firearms, they're number one. So I don't know how equipped these policemen are equipped. Moreover, all in all, it was not supposed to be disclosed the way it has been. With the Paga Minister of Information to my SID, me dick. It's not like that. It's not proper. Anyway, I'm not a government spokesperson, but if I were, I would have just left this issue silently. Secretly, without disclosing to the general public. Because it's the general public that we judge our government failures. Even when our police fails, it's us Malawians who judge our police service. It's not a police force, it's a police service. Just like what has happened in Ponela. People have been hacked. And the police MCP as a party comes out say, no, we didn't do that. The police says, no, Sanande Utenga Una was. This is quite dramatic and a very insane type of communication. Let not people be fooled just because people who have given power to the wrong people. And it's not good for those wrong people to keep on humiliating other people or trying to tamper around with other people's lives. It's quite deplorable and undemocratic. Thank you very much and good evening once again.